today we just got a bunch of parts for the CLK55. I am prepping it for hopefully a drift event this weekend, and so I decided to spend a bit of money to try to refresh suspension. I bought new sway bar end links, you know, bushings, and the whole drag link, inner to outer tie rod stuff, ball joints, new Bilstein B8 shocks. So unfortunately not all of them have come in yet. So we're going to be installing the shocks and the end links. This is going to be on an upcoming future video. I think this would be a really cool, and would be really cool as a video, instructional video for everybody with Mercedes-Benz. So stay tuned for that. So today we're just going to get done what we can get done and just get on with it from there. I did install the ball joints already. So you can really see how worn out this ball joint is. I mean, there's like all these little cracks and whatnot. Let me just zoom in a little bit here. So, these look cool. There's like the bushings and whatnot, the washers. Oh yeah, and it's yellow. Very cool. Tested on the Nürburgring. That's funny. All right, well, let's go ahead and install these now. I'm sure it's better than the dry rotted 175,000 mile original one, so let's get to it. You'd think it'd be easier to get in from the back, but it's not. Okay. Looking at them both, the Bilstein B8s are definitely shorter, and also these are supposedly made for lowered cars, or just ones with lowering springs, so it makes sense. So this actually works out perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and bolt it back up. So yeah, excited to see how it is. Can't wait for the fronts to come in too. When the fronts come in, I'll install that. So let's get it back together. And of course, this is mandatory, so just a small little fire extinguisher. I feel like I could just insert it right here. Yes. If I could just somehow get it in there without using two hands. There you go. It's almost like it was made for it. Sweet. Sweet. Well, that went as planned, did it? So for replacing the end links, it's actually pretty easy. You undo this bolt right here. This is a 16, 19, another 13 over here. I believe it's 13. And then for the shock, there is a 17, I think it was 17 or something along those lines. You'll probably have the socket for it. And then up top as well, the bolt up top over here. So relatively easy. We're gonna get this side done. Of course, it's already nighttime. The struggle of starting this at 5 p.m. What's up, everyone? It's the next day. I got to finish probably like around 9 o'clock, so it was kind of useless for me to keep filming. It was pretty dark, but I did get the shocks in and new sway bar end links. They feel really good. I can't wait for the fronts to come in. They actually feel amazing. I feel like I sound like every forum post ever. Oh, Bilstein V8 shocks and H&R springs. Oh my god, it feels amazing. But yeah, it feels pretty good. Now I'd like to show the situation I have for tomorrow. So I put the Kendas on the spare wheels that I had. So I have 2 spares. Well, technically I'll be running probably these 2 first, or maybe those 2, and then switch to these 2 once those are done. If I even get that far, to be quite honest. So these are going to be for the rears. I'm not going to run those. Those are way too wide, and tires are way too pricey for me to just go to waste. These are going to be the fronts that I need to put on whenever these go out, because I'm assuming these will probably be pretty much done for at the end of it. It all just depends how well or crappy I do, or if the car breaks, which probably will. I'm debating if I should bring both cars or just one. The reason for bringing both is just because I could have like the E55 carry all the extra stuff, and the CLK, you know, I could just leave it empty. It just won't be as messy. I like to bring some chairs and stuff too, so I don't know if it'll all fit in there in the CLK. But I mean, I'll give it a shot tonight and see how it goes. Overall, I'm pretty excited. Slightly nervous, of course. This will be my 2nd ever event that I'm going to. First time taking this car, so I'm not really sure what to expect. I do know there's 2 tracks, one for more beginners and one for more experienced drivers. I'm assuming the one with more experienced drivers, the track for that one, I'm sure the entry speed is a lot faster, and I don't know, probably just slightly more difficult. So obviously beginner track first. Hopefully everything checks out on the CLK when we go through tech. I was able to borrow some helmets. I need to purchase some. That's pretty much it, really. I mean, it's as ready as I can get it. Maybe I'll just go around nut and bolt check everything before tomorrow, but we'll see. I do need to give her a wash though, a little dirty. I also have one more thing I need to show you guys. So I guess I'm basically announcing that I have published my own website and also made these stickers. I made 25 of each. These are the logos basically of the channel, and this one is probably my favorite. Manual swap all things Jikjakz Industries, and it has the W210. Sorry, my hands are really dirty. My W208, well, it's not my W208, it's just, you know, the CLK DTM car, but close enough. And a W210 U55 down here. I really like this one. And then for those that want the original logo, get this out of here. There you go. It has a slight hint of, I don't know if you guys can really see it, a slight hint of just like a little bit of flake. So I think this would be really cool, really good quality stickers. And I would like to make some more, to be honest. I'd like to do different designs, but I started out with these at first just to see, like, you know, I feel like hopefully y'all like them. So I only have 25 of each, and they'll be on sale for $5 a piece, plus whatever shipping is going to be. And yeah, this will all just, you know, go to the channel and help me build these things. So yeah, I'm really excited to start selling these. I'm definitely going to put one on my car because I like them. And I don't know, I think it'd be cool. So I'm gonna put one on the E55 and on the CLK. So yeah, if you guys want some, it's gonna be on my website. Also on that website, I made sort of a guide on the manual swap, which it'll have, like, you know, all the parts lists and whatnot on there. And then there's also links where you can click, and it'll be links to, you know, listings of those parts. I do get asked quite often, like, you know, where do you get this? Where do you get that? The website will have all of that along with the YouTube page. So people, if whatever they prefer, they can go back and forth and reference either or. So, and there's also, lately there's been a lot of, you know, new news regarding the swap that would make it even easier to do. So I can't wait to show you all that. probably after the event. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. So, and I can't wait after CLK is done to just maybe hopefully do another CLK. I mean, not another CLK, Carcane Addiction, another manual swap build. Also, I'd like to point out that this event tomorrow is not just going to be what the CLK is going to do. It's going to be kind of like, I want to build it as like an all-around car. I want to do anything I want to do it, and just have fun with it, really, because I feel like there's a lot of potential in this chassis and the car and whatnot, and also prove, you know, some of the naysayers of the swap to see how you know, robust the transmission is. Of course, if you have any questions, just let me know. Hit me up on, you know, Instagram or YouTube or whatever, about the stickers or the website or the car or the manual swap or whatever, anything really. I try to stay as active as I could on there and respond to everyone's messages. And yeah, I think I'm gonna put on the sticker real quick. I think I will put it on here, maybe just like right here. It's a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it with alcohol. I'm gonna wash the car today after this video, because Jesus, it's really dirty. The pollen here is crazy. Sure, it is nice and clean. You don't want it to be dirty. So as you can see, this is how the OG sticker would look, and that's the new sticker. I like them either or. This would probably fit better here, although I wouldn't mind having this as well. But they're small, so you can put them wherever you want, you know, computer, laptops, whatever. I want to make other stickers if I do make some more, or maybe other merch or something. So, but I thought stickers would be a cool place to start. So yeah, if you want one, $5. Can I just also point out the crazy difference of a 13.5-inch wheel and a 10-inch wheel? Jesus. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Wish me luck for tomorrow. I'm just gonna try my best and, you know, try my best to have fun. I mean, that's all what I'm there for, is to have fun and have a feel for the car. And yeah, we'll see how the CLK55 does with the manual swap. So looking forward to it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Peace.